Here's a quick makeup. You probably wonder what we do in the makeup trailer. So today I'm getting my beautiful producer Pamela ready, and I've only got 10 minutes. I'm going to my Kosas tryout kit. This is their Revealer foundation in 7.5. And I'm going to put it on the under eyes, and I'm also going to put it on the neck because sometimes the neck's a different shade. I've got water in a blender, and I'm putting on a little bit of that underneath the eyes. For the next step, you're going to need some powder on a powder puff, and I'm going to show you the face to make so your concealer won't crease. Okay, so I'm going to have you look up to the ceiling. So I'm just going to roll the concealer and get it out of any lines, and then go like this. You're stretching out this. You're going. Amazing. I know it's like the weirdest face ever, but it really does work. Okay. You'll definitely need to curl your lashes, even for the fake lashes I'm about to put on. The trick to making lashes stay on is to put glue in two places. So I'm dotting it as an eyeliner on the eye. This is the lash glue. And then you'll see that I'm also going to put the lash glue on the band of the lash. Let it get a little bit tacky. Wait about like 90 seconds and then squeeze them on. It'll be so much easier. You just press them on. You still have a little bit of time to adjust them. You see the difference that they make. You still have a little bit of time to adjust them when they're still tacky. You have about a minute to adjust. They make such a difference. To make the fake lashes look real, you're going to bump up the lower lashes with this waterproof mascara. Put a Kleenex under to prevent any smudges under the eye. I'm using waterproof eyeshadow from Smashbox, and all the info is below the video. So easy, you don't even need a brush. You could smooth it on with your fingers.
See it? It has like a little bit of blue too.
Yeah, actually it's my favorite.
It's really cute. It's like kind of let's see, close them a little. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Yes, it has magenta, but it's also blue in there. This is my most waterproof pencil.
You need waterproof because we're going to tight line. So you're going to kind of lift up and color in the waterline, which is that little bit of skin underneath the lashes. That's called tight lining, and it's the most effective for making your eyes pop. Yes, the eyes are done. Now we're moving on to the brows. I'm using Airbrow, which is like a brow holding gel and some color all in one. You'll see the way that I move the brush around. It almost looks like I filled it in with a pencil or a small brush, but it's just using the wand and filling in the brow, so you just get a quick result with one step. I'm using Kosas Weightless Lipstick in Undone for both the cheeks and the lips.
I like this blush.
It's the lipstick. It's Kosas Undone.
NYX Butter Gloss in shade Cinnamon Roll is one of Oprah's favorite things.
I like this lipstick. Oh, I actually look fairly decent.
You're lovely. You're such a goddess. It's easy for you. We did this.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.